For centuries, explorers ventured out over the oceans to find better, to seek out the new. To do that, they followed guiding stars, reference points to get them where they wanted to be. Here at Ipsen, we're on a journey too. Our guiding star is the Shingo model and the Ipsen way of being. Key principles and systems that we have adopted and embedded in our culture, our thinking, and our ways of working. Ways unique to Ipsen. We knew that to grow our business and meet the demand for our products, we needed to transform ourselves. So we began our journey with the Lean Six Sigma. Since then, we've perfected the skills and adopted the Shingo model. As a result, we've increased production by an extraordinary 800% and built a dynamic, engaged, and highly qualified workforce. Our success happened because of the systems we've developed at Ipsen, that in turn are guided by the principles of Shingo. We call it the Ipsen way of being.
It's a strong, structured system here at Ipsen that keeps us on course for future success. The Ipsen way of being and the Shingo model are a guiding star for our journey to excellence.